Today we have a 10th grade career fair. The goal is to get 10th graders to introduce them to employers, to learn about apprenticeships, different career pathways.
Figure out things and then how to wire it.
Get them to start familiarizing themselves with some of these industries, some of these employers. 10th grade is that pivotal time where they really start making those, taking those next steps towards what pathway they want to choose. When we do, let's say, 12th grade career fairs, it feels a little late because kids have already gone through high school. And 10th grade is that nice point where a kid already has learned a little bit about what high school is all about. They've matured a little bit more, and right now is that point of time where they really can make that decision. What do they want to do? And get to see what is out there for them.
I don't feel like in 10th grade, you're like, for sure, like, I'm gonna do this in life, but then you come here and you're like, oh, I don't just have to pick one thing, I can do other things, yeah. I don't know about you guys, but I've seen a few things where I'm like, I came here with like a purpose, but now I'm just kind of like, you know what, but I could do this. Yeah, right?
I don't think there's a better place than NEWTech to do this, just because of just the amount of programs that we have. So for kids, it's really good to come here and see what we offer, but at the same time, they get to see what's out there too.